I am happy to announce that my F2 adapters have been featured in Muscle and Fitness Online magazine this month as one of the most innovative pieces of home gym equipment. And that's because it was designed to be used with 1 inch or 1.25-inch bars. But that's really not the cool part. The cool part is that you can add rotation to the F2 adapters by adding on our Chain Beast XL and then locking it in place with our F2 collar. So now you have an adapter that has full on rotation and you can select your resistance based on your training needs. For example, if you want to train heavier with flat bands, all you have to do is grab one of the RT hooks and then connect that to the Chain Beast. So now you have flat band rotation. But what if you want to do lighter training? Well, you can use the F2 eyeball. This allows you to do two band rotation and of course free weights.